Hello students, this is the next lecture for SY BCom students. Lecture number 65, Semester 4, Unit 4, Lecture 6. Name of the topic is Assignment Problems. Lecture number 65, SY BCom students. Name of the topic is Assignment Problem. Today we are going to see multiple optimum solution. If after making the assignments, that is after making the zeros with box to the single unmarked zeros in all possible rows and columns, it is found that two or more rows or columns still contain more than one unmarked zeros, then the problem has multiple optimum solution. To get the alternate solutions, first step, select the row or column containing maximum number of unmarked zeros after making assignments to the single unmarked zeros. Second step, select one of the zero and mark it with the square. Third step, cancel all other zeros in its row as well as column. Fourth step, proceed further in usual manner to make other assignments. Repeat the procedure by making assignments to each of the zeros in the row or column selected in above separately to get the alternate solutions. Next step, all these alternate solutions give the same optimum value. See the example. Solve the following problem of assigning 4 computer programmers to 4 application programs with the estimated computer time in minutes required by each of them to develop the programs is given below. So they have given us programs A, B, C, D and programmers 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to find the solution to this assignment problem. According to the Hungarian method, first step is row wise subtraction. See the first row 120, 100, 80, 90. 80 is minimum value. 80 is to be subtracted from 120, 100, 80 and 90. The values which we are getting are 40, 20, 0 and 10. Second row 80, 90, 110, 70. Minimum value is 70. 70 is to be subtracted from every element. So we will get 10, 20, 40, 0. So 10, 20, 40, 0. Third row 110, 140, 120, 100. Minimum value is 100. 100 is to be subtracted from every element. So the values becomes 10, 40, 20 and 0. Last row has got 80 as minimum value. The elements are 90, 90, 80 and 90. So we will subtract 80 from every element. So we will get 10, 10, 0, 10. Now we have to consider second step as column wise subtraction. So in the first column 10 is minimum element. 10 is to be subtracted from every element. So it will become 30, 0, 0, 0. Second column has got 10 as minimum element. So 10 will be subtracted from every element. So 10, 10, 30, 0. So 10, 10, 30, 0. Third column has got 0 as minimum. Fourth column also has got 0 as minimum. So these two columns will remain as it is. So the third column we will rewrite as 0, 40, 20, 0. Then 10, 0, 0, 10. Now we will cover the zeros with lines. So maximum zeros are to be covered with minimum number of lines. So first column has got 3 zeros. So we will cover these 3 zeros with one line. Last column has got 2 zeros that can be covered with the help of one line. first row has got 0, so we will cover this way. Fourth row has got one more 0, sorry, 2 zeros are covered with the help of this line. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 lines we are getting. So as number of lines is equal to number of rows and columns, solution is optimum. Therefore, the solution is optimum. Hence, we can start assignments. So we will rewrite the matrix this way: A, B, C and D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. First row has got exclusive 0, so we will put it in the box and we will cross the 0 which is in column. So this will get marked. Second row has got 2 zeros, so we will leave the row. Third row has got 2 more zeros, so we will leave the row. Last row has got 3 zeros, so we will leave the row. First column has got 3 zeros, so we will leave it. Second column has got only one single 0, so we will have to put it in the box. So this and this should be crossed. So this will also get crossed. Then B and C, 2 rows, 2 zeros are there. So this has got 2 solutions. So in the first solution, we will mark this particular 0. So B, first 0 is marked. So naturally, we have to cancel this. If you cancel this, we have to mark this and we have to cross this. So A with third position, B with first position, C with fourth position and D with second position. And one more solution we are having, that is nothing but, so this is exclusive 0, we will mark, exclusive in column we will mark. Instead of this, we will mark this now. So this will get crossed and this will get marked. So A, B, C and D. A is assigned with 3, B is assigned with 4, C is assigned with 1 and D is assigned with 2. And their respective values in the first table are 80, 70, 110, 90. So the answer is 350. In the previous solution also we are getting answer as 350. So next is unbalanced and multiple solution problem. See the example. In a job shop operations, 5 jobs may be performed on any 4 machines. The hours required for each job on each machine are presented in the following table. The plant foreman would like to assign jobs as that the total time is minimized. Find the optimum solution. So we are having A, B, C, D, E, and there are only 4 jobs, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So and the matrix is given to us. So according to the Hungarian method, we will apply the first step as row wise subtraction. So 13, 14, 16, 20. The minimum element is 13. So 13 is to be subtracted from the first row. So the elements will be 0, 1, 3 and 7. So actually the problem is unbalanced, so we will have to add dummy column first step and then we will subtract the. So actually if you add dummy column, every row has got 0 as minimum element. So row wise subtraction we are getting the same elements. So 13, 14, 16, 20, 0, 12, 13, 15, 12, 0, 11, 12, 12, 9, 0, 16, 16, 18, 14, 0, 10, 12, 13, 12, 0. So the first row wise subtraction, the matrix will remain as it is because every row has got 0 as minimum element. Now we will perform second step as column wise subtraction and drawing of the lines. So first column has got 10 as minimum element. So 10 is to be subtracted. So 3, 2, 1, 6, 0. 3, 2, 1, 6, 0. Second column has got 12 as a minimum element. So 2, 1, 0, 4, 0. Third column has got 12 as minimum element. So 4, 3, 0, 6, 1. Fourth column has got 12 as minimum element. No, 9 as minimum element. So 11, 3, 0, 5, 3. And last column will remain as it is with 0, 0, 0, 0. So now we will draw the lines. So first line we will cover all these zeros with the help of one line. 3 zeros can be covered with the help of second line, and last 2 zeros can be covered with the help of third line. So number of lines is not equal to number of rows and columns. Solution is not optimal. Therefore, subtract minimum uncovered element from all uncovered elements, add it at the intersection positions, keeping covered elements as it is. So if you observe, 1 is minimum element. 1 is to be subtracted from 3, 2, 2, 1, 4, 3, 11, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5. 1 should be added at 0 and 0. And the covered elements we will procure as it is. So the next matrix becomes 2, 1, 1, 5, 0, 1, 0, 0, 3, 0, 3, 2, 0, 5, 1, 10, 2, 0, 4, 3, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. And then we will cover the zeros again, and we are getting 4 lines. We need 5 lines, so we will have to repeat the procedure. Uncovered element 1 is to be subtracted from all uncovered. It should be added to the intersection positions, keeping covered elements as it is. So we will cover the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we are getting 4 lines. So repeat the procedure. So the next matrix, in this matrix we will subtract again 1 from all uncovered. We will add 1 at the intersection positions, keeping covered elements as it is. So 1, 1, 2, 4, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 0, 3, 0, 8, 1, 0, 2, 2, 0, 1, 3, 0, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 lines we are getting. So we have to repeat the procedure again. So the final matrix which we are getting is 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 3, 0, 0, 2, 0, 7, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 4, 0, 3. So we are getting 5 lines. We have to start assignment. So number of lines is equal to number of rows and columns. Solution is optimum. Therefore we can start assignments. So the first row has got 4 zeros, so we will leave it. Second row has got 4 zeros, so we will leave it. Third row has got 3 zeros, so we will leave it. Fourth row has got 1 exclusive zero, so we will have to mark that zero with a box. Then last row has got 3 zeros, so we will leave it. First column has got 3 zeros, we will leave it. Second column has got 2 zeros. Third column has got 3 zeros. Fourth column has got 2 zeros. So there are multiple optimum solutions. So we will mark first zero randomly. So if you mark first zero, we will have to cross these 2 zeros and these 2 zeros also. So second assignment will come here. If you mark this zero with a box, so we have to cross other remaining zeros in the rows as well as in the columns. Same way, we have to mark this 0 and this 0. So the first solution is A is assigned with 1, B is assigned with 2, C is assigned with 4, D is assigned with dummy, and E is assigned with 3. And their respective values from the first table are 13, 13, 9, 0, 13, and the total value is 48. And as there are so many zeros, we can have second solution as, instead of first row first 0, we will mark the second 0. So this 0 is marked, so we have to cross the remaining zeros. So B will mark with 1, C will mark with 4, D will mark with 5, and E will mark with 2. So A is assigned with 2 and the time is 14. B is assigned with 1 with 12. C is assigned with 4, value is 9. D is assigned with a dummy 0 and E is assigned with 3, 13. So 14 plus 12 plus 9 plus 0 plus 13, total becomes 48. So this is the second solution. I think we can have next solution as, instead of first and second, we will mark the third 0. So A is assigned with 3, B is assigned with 2, C is assigned with 4, D is assigned with dummy, and E is assigned with 0. First. So A is assigned with 2, B is assigned with 2, so A is assigned with 3, B 2, C 4, D dummy, and E 1. 16 plus 13 plus 9 plus 0 plus 10, total is 48. Next solution, A is assigned with second, B is assigned with fourth, C is assigned with third, D is assigned with dummy, and E is assigned with 0, and the total value again it is 48. So these are 4 solutions to this problem. Next example, an automobile dealer wishes to put 4 repairmen to 4 different jobs. The repairmen have somewhat different kinds of skills and they exhibit different levels of efficiency from one job to another. The dealer has estimated the number of man hours that would be required to each job man combination. This is given in the matrix given below. Find the optimum assignment that will result in minimum man hours needed. So we are having 4 men, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 jobs A, B, C, D. And the matrix is given to us. According to the Hungarian method, first step is row-wise subtraction. First row has got 2 as minimum element. 2 is to be subtracted from every row, every element of the row, first row. The resultant elements are 3, 1, 0, 6. Second row, 2 is minimum. 2 is to be subtracted. So the elements become 5, 7, 0, 4. Third row has got 4 as minimum element. So 4 is to be subtracted. So the elements becomes 2, 0, 1, 3. And last row has got 5 as minimum element. So the elements are 0, 2, 2, 3. Second step, column wise subtraction and then drawing the lines. First column has got 0 as minimum, so it will remain as it is. Second column has got 0 as minimum, so it will remain as it is. Third column is also having 0 as minimum, so we will rewrite the column as it is. So 0, 0, 1, 2. Last column has 3 as minimum element. So 3 is to be subtracted from every element. So 3, 1, 0, 0. Now we will cover the zeros with maximum 0 should be covered in minimum number of lines. So 1, 2 and 3 lines we are getting. But we need 4 lines. So number of lines is not equal to number of rows and columns. Solution is not optimal. Therefore, we will subtract the minimum element from all uncovered elements. We will add it at the intersection positions, keeping covered elements as it is. So the next matrix becomes 2, 4, 2, 0, 0, 6, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2, 0, 0, 3, 0. Again draw the lines to cover zeros. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines we are getting. Now we will, as number of lines is equal to number of rows and columns, solution is optimal. Therefore, we can start assignments. So we will rewrite the matrix as 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C and D with the elements 2, 4, 2, 0, 0, 6, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, 3 and 2, 0, 0, 0. So first row itself has exclusive zeros, so we'll mark it in a box. Sorry, 2 zeros are there here, so we will leave this row. Second row has got 2 zeros, third row has got 2 zeros, fourth row has got 2 zeros. So we can mark any of the zeros randomly. So first zero is marked here, so we will have to cross this and we will have to cross this also. So if you cross this zero is marked and this is crossed. If you cross this, we have to mark this, we have to cross this and we have to mark this. So first solution, 1 is assigned to B, second is assigned to C, third is assigned to D, fourth is assigned to E, and the respective elements addition becomes 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 5, that is nothing but 17. Second solution we are getting, instead of this we can mark this 0. If you mark this, we have to cross this. If you cross this, we have to mark this. If you mark this, we have to cross this. And the remaining single zeros we have to mark. So the second solution is nothing but first is assigned to C, second is assigned to D, third is assigned to B, fourth is assigned to E. And the respective addition becomes 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5, that are nothing but 17.